What's going on, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're out here in Justin, Texas. We're in an area called Paloma Ranch. We're in front of a nice looking building. We're gonna go check it out. It's got awesome colors, a colored roll-up door, windows, upgraded walk-in doors, higher pitch roof. So let's go look at this building. All right, so starting off with the size of this building, this is gonna be a 24 feet wide, 50 foot long, 12 foot tall structure. In the middle here, you'll notice that it's going to be really tall. That's because it has a 612 pitch upgraded roof. Normally our buildings come with a 312 pitch. That's standard across all state, but this customer decided to go ahead and match the roof line of his house. It looks really nice. The colors on this building are going to be a clay for the sides and the roof, but it's going to have earth brown for the trim, which looks really nice with this upgraded roll-up door that he has on the front. Normally our doors come with a white, but he decided to go ahead with a continental brown. Looks really nice, puts the whole thing together. Alrighty, coming along the side of the building, you'll notice that he's gonna have a wood core door here. That's an upgrade from our regular standard walk-in door, 36 by 80. He's gonna have two windows here on the side. Once we go inside, you're gonna notice that he has two more windows on the other side, and he has one more window on the back. Also on the back wall, he has another walk-in door, same style as well, wood core, 36 by 80. He went ahead and did vertical panels along the side and the end walls that match the roof line. Good thing he did that because he went and got our insulation on the whole set of the building. So let's go check it out inside. Now that we're inside the building and it's not so bright, you'll notice that this customer went ahead and got fully insulation. He did it on the sides and the roof line, which you can only do on our vertical panels. Closer here on the sides, you'll notice that this customer went ahead and taped up the seams so that it wouldn't have no gaps or overlaps. It's not something that currently American Steel offers, but you can go ahead and do it as a little upgrade. As you can see right now, the customer doesn't really have anything in here except for a ladder and a wheelbarrow, but he did say that he was going to turn this shop into a woodworking shop. So maybe later in the future, he's going to get his materials, his machinery. He does have some neighbors that do the same thing as well. So once he gets that all settled in, we're hoping to come back and shoot that as well. It's gonna look really nice. All right, guys, one more thing I forgot to mention about this roll-up door is that it is 16 by 10, which means 16 wide, 10 foot tall. So normally on our doors up to a 10 by 10 roll-up door, they're gonna be able to open from the outside and don't need a walk-in door to be able to get inside your building. But on a door of this size, you do need a walk-in door to at least get on the inside, and then it's gonna have this chain hoist to be able to operate. Not too hard, really easy. You can even adjust the tension spring on the roll-up door, so it's gonna be able to maneuver easily. Just one thing to keep in mind. So one thing I want to bring up, guys, is that while this customer did get a 612 pitch to match his roof line, he also had to get it for the HOA that he's in. That's one thing to think about. Make sure that you get all the regulations, all the specifications that your neighborhood requires of you when you do get a metal structure on your property. That way we can make the building to whatever specifications it needs to be, and you won't have any fines or any payouts you need to do later. Anyways, guys, that's it for me here in Justin, Texas. Thank you so much to this client for letting us tour their building. Looks really nice with the 612 pitch roof and the continental brown roll-up door that they have on the front here. This is Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.